The LEISTER Group is a globally active Swiss technology group. We care about our environment and take responsibility for our living space. We use renewable energies and we care about sustainability. It is becoming an increasingly important aspect of our society. In India, for example, PVC banners are no longer permitted in most large cities. So we started looking for alternatives and came across with Kavalan. Considering the huge amount of banners used each year for a short period only, it makes sense to use materials that are more environmentally friendly than traditional ones. We ordered Kavalan sunlight material to carry out welding tests on our CMYUK 980 and CMYUK W980 machines and were pleasantly surprised by the results. Kavalan replicates PVC banner feel, giving great weldability by being lighter and environment friendly, which is very impressive. One of the great things about Kavalan is that it can be welded with both hot air and low voltage technology. Until now, no other PVC-free material could tick all the boxes as Kavalan did for us. Other materials that we have tested previously had no tensile strength or did not perform well when trying to weld them together. Kavalan is what brands want. It's what everyone wants. No one wants to put PVC material in landfill. We live in Switzerland in such beautiful nature. Let us take responsibility to preserve it for our next generation.